DW himself glued. He used a God particle. It looks beautiful on the ground. Wow, we took it off in the air.
It's leaning way low.
That's a feat of, just trim it out right. That was a feat of nobility. Whoa.
Whoa.
Let off the gas a little, you're scaring me. That was good. Good landing on that rough stuff.
After being rebuilt. Amazing this is flying. That's right where it did a nose dart from 100 feet, right in that spot.
Oh, it is going hard left, you're right. Wow. Beeping, time to land.
Pilot Norm loves this plane.
Look at that hanger.
That one wheel's there just for aesthetics.
Well, this thing slows down quick in the turn.
Yeah, well, just the fact that it's flying is miraculous.
It did its own thing.
Oh yeah?
You see that?
I did.
Man, it just jumped.
Well, it's got a mind of its own.
What's that noise?
Don't know.
Hear it?
Doesn't sound good.
Something ain't right.
It's doing a little moaning and groaning.
This thing flies pathetic.
Is it fast?
It's fast to the ground.
These guys that say it's fast on 6S, I don't know what they're thinking. That is wide open.
It's doing about 60.
I'd say 65. I'm going to be optimistic. It flies nicely. It's just slow.
It might be flying odd because of that wheel down too.
That wheel's probably cutting off 30 to 40 miles an hour.
The characteristics too.
Not. Man. That's all that is. And a beautiful, almost nice savior. Well done, Pilot Norm.
Flight number 3 on the Glue 22. This is the G22 now. So we're trying to get set up and go. Anytime you're ready, Capitan. Get off the ground, Betsy. That was much better takeoff. Nice. That little bit of wind help?
Yeah.
The gear up? No, no, no!
It's going straight left.
Hey, it survived a sorry battery. Good job. So you jammed the piss out of it and it's working. Was the steering any better?
Thank goodness for glue. You know, there were so many other issues. Steering looks good though.
Just back to the...
Norm has reconnected the gear.
Constituted it.
Both gears were ripped off of that violent crash Norm forced me to perform due to his battery with no energy. And now it's fixed all landing gear.
Doo-doo.
Look at that. All right, we're good to go. Norm's gonna fly the next one. Here we go. All right, here we have, once again, rebuilt for the second time F-22. Norm's gonna show us how it's done.
After David's second crash, we're gonna give it a shot.
He can, isn't it amazing Norm can fly and talk?
Left. It's going hard left on me.
Oh, it's not jerking out of the way. I'll zoom in a
But
little.
it's not flying high either. That's as far as it goes up. You got it on low altitude mode?
Got it on high. You got no elevator?
Landing gear's not going up. Tail gear. What have we done? Now none of it.
Fast. Woo! Man, that had to be going 70.
Watch yourself.
Don't hit me. Nice. All right, good landing. Well done, Norm. Up and a bow.
With some flaps, it would have landed a little.
All right, fourth and final F-22 flight of the day. Norm's feeling confident that he has repaired everything.
I'm feeling arrogantly, confidently, cockily crazy. This thing goes fast when it's heading toward the ground.
Oh, and I would not call that successful. You might should have glued that one back in.
You got to take it off like an underpowered Cessna.
F-22, remaiden take 72.
We got to have some flaps on this takeoff.
Give it all you got, Norm. No right turn. Don't hit that one bump out there. It's bad.
Oh, we already lost something.
Something fall off?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I don't know. It's not the battery.
Not the battery.
Might be the canopy.
Probably the canopy.
Here we go. Not my car.
No power?
No. Filming?
Yes, filming is his only concern.
Oh!
No landing gear!
Yeah. Let me go see. You get that out of here.
Wow. That's it for the F-22 today. Remaiden of the F-22 takes 12.
If I could just get the landing gear right, but it runs out of power real quick, it ain't gonna matter, is it?
Oh, there you go. You're done. Oh, man. Oh, man. Yeah, that wasn't a good idea. Just blew the motor, too. Oh. Oh.
Alpha! Alpha! Well,
Any final words about your day with the F-22 today, Norm?
my favorite flight on the F-22. Don't buy one.